So another question that we do get quite often is around the safety of the vehicle, the driver aids, those types of things, because obviously the original vehicle was designed back in the very late 30s, early 40s. So what are your comments around what you've done here, say safety-wise and driver aids?
My joy has always been when I drive a car, if the driver aids take over, I get frustrated. But maybe that's because I've spent time on the track, and that's when you have the real fun. You have the fun when the tail climbs out as you accelerate. You have those moments where the adrenaline starts pumping and you come back and your hand's still moving. So we have intentionally not put driver aids in the car. This is a driver's car. It's something unique, it's something special, and you've got to enjoy it. ABS on this vehicle would be senseless because you have so much control over slowing the vehicle down. The brake system is such that your feel of the brakes slows the vehicle. This is not a car that you're going to buy for your wife to take the kids to school. So you don't have to worry about her driving to school. ABS is irrelevant in this. What we do offer, though, is that if you say that you want to go and track it, and you want a roll cage, you can spec it. We can put a full roll cage in for you. What we do, and as we've got a convertible leaving in a few months' time, we can put rollover bars in, so the car is a safe vehicle to drive. But there's definitely no traction control, and there's definitely no ABS in the vehicle. What we do have, though, is all the vehicles still have their ABS sensors on the hubs. So if you want to in your own time, or if you're buying a component, you want to build your own car, you're welcome to put the ABS system in. It's an aftermarket system, you could put it in.